Hey everyone, so today we have the AirPods Pro 2, which are of course some of the best wireless earbuds in the industry right now, or at least the AirPods Pro are, but I'm sure that these are also going to be just as good and hopefully better than those. Now recently I've actually had a ton of trouble with my AirPods. I even got a replacement and everything, but they still continue to do the same thing where they'll reconnect and connect and not connect until I select them on iOS. So I don't know what's happening. It's kind of frustrating because this is already the third pair I've had, and since these came out, I've switched them for various reasons. I had one time one of the buds went out, then the other bud went out, and now I'm having this issue and I got a replacement for those. So I mean, they're not without faults, and even the original AirPods, those, I think everyone in my family's AirPods lasted about 2 or 2.5 years and then they died. They just broke. So I gotta say right off the bat, AirPods not built to last, and I wouldn't recommend it in that scenario, but regardless, they're basically the best thing. Here, of course, the manuals, I already opened it up, $250 for these, and I think they are worth it. I mean, they just work so well. They do exactly what they're designed to do. Even with all those hiccups and the headaches I've gotten from time to time, they still just provide a lot of use day to day that I just think is worth the money. Now here we go. Here is the case of the AirPods Pro 2, and here we have the other one right there. So let's see if you can tell the differences. Right is the old. We go to the bottom right here, and on the left hand side you're gonna see that speaker right there. That is for the chimes. Whenever you lose your AirPods, now the actual whole case is going to chime. It also now works like an AirTag, so if you lose these, it'll work exactly like an AirTag, which is also very nice. This is kind of interesting. It has a little loop right here for a lanyard, so I'm guessing cases now will have to have that open so that you can loop it there. But that is kind of nice because a lot of cases wouldn't come with one, and so now you can just clip on a lanyard or a key ring or something on there, I guess. These are of course still Lightning. Hopefully next time it's gonna be USB-C, because that is tragic. These do come with the MagSafe wireless charging case though, which is at least nice, so that's good. Of course, in the box, we're just gonna get a Lightning to USB-C cable, and then inside we're actually gonna get one extra set of tips this time. So there's now an extra small size, which is great. I know a ton of people that these didn't really fit well in their ears, and so that extra small one should make a difference. Then we also got small, large, and on the AirPods are the medium. I think I use large now because they just noise canceled better with the large, even though they fit better and feel better with the medium. I was having noise canceling issues, especially while running and whenever wind was hitting them, so that kind of helped that. Visually here, we open them up, let's see the difference. Oh wow, there is actually a difference. I'm impressed. I thought they were gonna look exactly the same, but as you can see, they are not exactly the same. So we definitely have a different structure to the whole design. Let's grab both right buds here just so we can see the differences. You can see that. I don't even know what those things are, I gotta tell you, just sensors and stuff. I don't know, but much smaller right there. The one at the bottom is now missing. Then at the top, so now we have it at the top instead of the bottom. And the back one is still in the same spot. There we go. Now this stem right here is now gonna actually finally have touch controls so that you can lower the volume and bring it back up. So that's really great. That's been needed since the beginning, since the inception of AirPods. That's kind of been a necessity to be able to put the volume up and down. So we finally have that. And as far as the size goes, it looks exactly the same. I kind of wish they would have decreased it a little bit or some little shape difference or something, but if they work, I guess don't change it. So yeah, you know what to look out for now. You get some fake ones or you think they're fake. You can look at the details. They usually don't get everything right when you get them. So let's go ahead and just see how quickly these connect. It should be quicker than that. There we go. All right, so connect, and they make a sound. Did you hear that? They now have a speaker at the bottom, as I said, and that's not only for Find My, but when you connect them to a charger port or anything like that and here to your phone, they have a nice little notification sound so that you know that things are charging or things are connecting, which is a nice little feature. You can see here it's telling us about how to activate noise control, how to open up Control Center for your AirPods, and it told us also about the touch controls as well. Came with 58% battery on the AirPods and 69% on the case. Danny's AirPods Pro 2. And let's see how these feel in the ear. Exactly the same. No difference really. I can notice the noise canceling though is instantly better, for a fact. Oh wow. Yeah, the transparency is also a lot better as well. Let's open up a song here. See that? Let me put it on noise canceling here. Yeah. Oh yeah, those are good sounding. Yeah. Okay, yeah. They sound a little bit more bassy. They sound like actual, more towards on-ear headphones, if that makes sense. The sound sounds more towards that. Instantly, they're better than the first gen AirPods Pro, and are they worth the upgrade? Yeah, if you've been using them for some time and you didn't just recently buy them, then definitely upgrade to them and take your current ones and give them to a family member or something, because I'm sure they'll enjoy those. But these new ones, if you use them every day, definitely worthwhile the upgrade, and they just sound really great. Now hopefully they've improved the build quality or the issues and they last longer than 1.5 years or 2 years. But that's it, $250 AirPods Pro 2. Thanks for watching this video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Goodbye.